Pure Himalayan Shilajit, the mineral miracle for energy, skin, and vitality. Have you ever wondered how your body maintains balance, energy, and youthful skin? Nature has the answer. Pure Himalayan Shilajit, a rare resin rich in over 84 essential minerals that support energy production, skin elasticity, and mental clarity. As Dr. Barbara O'Neill explains, the human body needs around 102 minerals daily, and Shilajit provides nearly all of them in a bioavailable, natural form. Benefits of authentic Shilajit: boosts energy and endurance, supports skin glow and cellular regeneration, enhances focus and hormone balance, strengthens the immune system, promotes overall well-being. Important: purity matters. Always look for high-altitude, lab-tested Shilajit with minimal processing to preserve its full spectrum of minerals and fulvic acid. What makes premium Himalayan Shilajit special? High attitude, Sherpa harvested. Resin that comes from remote Himalayan crevices above 15,000 feet tends to be purer and richer in beneficial compounds because of the pristine environment. And only such the Well-Being Way recommends